For the first method, we're going to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. Once you're on it, we're going to click on Bluetooth and devices, and then you want to turn off Bluetooth and then turn it back on and see if that works for you. You're going to get an option right here which will allow you to do that. For the second method, we're going to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. Once you're on it, we're going to click on other troubleshooters, and then you want to find the Bluetooth troubleshooter, then click on run, and then see if this will fix your problem for you. You're going to get a couple questions here. You want to go through the questions and then see if it fixes the problem for you. For the third method, we're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Once you're on it, you want to look for Bluetooth and then you want to open it up. I'm going to put it on screen right now. Then you want to find your Bluetooth device. You want to right click on it and then click on properties. Once you're on this, you might have a tab that says power management on it. Some of you won't have it, but if you do have it, then you want to click on it. And then you will get an option that says allow this computer to turn off the device to save power. You want to make sure that that box is unticked, and then you want to click on OK and then see if that works for you. Now if that doesn't work, or if you did not have that tab, then you want to find Bluetooth again. You want to right click on it and then you want to uninstall the device. So once you uninstall it, you want to click on action and then you want to click on scan for hardware changes, and then it should appear again and it should be installed again. Then you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.